Hello friends, welcome back again. Today we are going to cook black soup. So let's cook it together.
Wash the meat and boil. So I have my meat. Add onions. Add seasoning. Add salt. Add seasoning cube. Mix together. Add a little water. Cover. Blend the bitter leaf together with onions and pepper and add a little water while blending. Our meat is okay now. Add bitter leaf. Oil. Add oil. Add crayfish. Cover. Add one seasoning cube. Add fish. Then salt. So I will allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Our bitter leaf soup is ready. So I'm going to make special fufu for this bitter leaf soup, which we call akpu, swallow, cassava, anything you call this food is here. So let's go and do it together. So let's dish our food. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. God bless you, all my subscribers. See you at the next video. Bye.